Okay, this is a reaction video to Two Girls, One Cup. Okay, go.
Ew, that's gross! That's like shit! Oh, that's custy. Ew, they're licking the poo! Ew! That's gross. Ew, she's chewing it. Blech. That's gross. They're gross. Oh my god. Oh, I'm gonna puke. This is gross. Is that poo or cum, like, colored? Ew, she just puked. Ew, this is gross. Why would they want to post this? This is just horrible. I'm gonna like delete this. Ew, now they're like coming all over each other's face.
Okay, it's done. How'd you like it?
What?
How'd you like it?
Pretty gross.
Did you see the cup at all?
Yeah, she pooped out of it. She pooped in it. She
Did
was
she?
like, and then the girls were just licking it. Now stop the video.